Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Aklima Bibi and my ID is 193235751. Today my presentation topics is squaring and bleaching of 100% cotton fabric. So this is contents and today we will discuss these topics. So my first topic is cotton. So what is cotton? Cotton is a soft, floppy, stable fiber that grows in a ball or projecting capsule around the seeds of cotton plants, the genus Glossophium. So we can see a picture, and this picture show a cotton fabric, and this fabric made by cotton fiber. The vertical purpose of cotton fiber is to aid in seed dispersal. The fiber is almost pure cellulose. What is squaring of cotton fabric? The squaring process of cotton fabric is a chemical washing process carried out on cotton fabric to remove natural wax and non-fabric impurities such as oil, wax, fats, dust from the fiber and any added soiling or dirt. So we can see two picture. First picture is before squaring of cotton fabric and second picture after squaring of cotton fabric. After squaring process, it become possible to get clean cotton fabric. What is bleaching of cotton fabric? Bleaching is the process of remove inherent and or aqueous color component from the cotton fiber. We can see two picture, and first picture is before bleaching of cotton fabric and second picture is after bleaching of cotton fabric. It provides best whiteness to the cotton fabric. Basic chemical of squaring and bleaching cotton fabric. The basic chemical of squaring of cotton fabric is detergent and caustic soda. In the other side, the basic chemical of bleaching of cotton is organic stabilizer and hydrogen peroxide. The function of detergent is emulsify oil, fats and wax, remove oil, brown, stain, suspend material after they have been removed. The function of hydrogen peroxide is remove natural color from the cotton fabric. Method of J-box. J-box is most commonly used of squaring and bleaching. In continuous J-box, we can do squaring and bleaching of 100% cotton fabric at the same time. Based on conjunction and operation, a J-box arranged can be divided into following 4 units. First unit, saturation and impregation bath. Second unit, preheater. Third unit, J-box, and fourth unit, washing unit. So we can see a picture, and this picture is squaring and bleaching of cotton fiber by J-box. So in the impregation bath, fabric is paired with caustic soda and wetting agent at 70 to 80 degrees Celsius for 40 to 90 seconds. After impregation bath, the fabric passed through on thermoplastic controlled system for 30 seconds and optimum temperature 90 to 1000 degrees Celsius. Then the fabric is drawn by drawing roller to carry on to J-box. Fabric is stored J-box for the 1 to 2 hours at 98 degree to 102 degrees Celsius. Sodium hydroxide solution reaction with impurities and dissolve them. At the end of J-box, fabric is squeezed and then passed off washing unit. Fabric is firstly hot wash and then cool wash here. The soluble impurities are glycerin, alcohol, sodium, salt and higher fatty acid etc. are removed by hot wash at above 80 degrees Celsius and then fabric is cool washed. Method of killer boiler. The specially conduction large cylindrical vessel made a cast iron or stainless steel is called collar boiler. So there are two types of killer boiler, horizontal and vertical. Again, horizontal and vertical killer boiler can be classified as ordinary killer and high temperature killer. Ordinary killer, possible design temperature less than 80 degrees Celsius is non-open killer boiler, which is also called as ordinary killer. Higher temperature killer, possible design temperature range between 90 to 130 degrees Celsius is known as closed killer boiler. So we can see a picture, and this picture is killer boiler, and this picture also show the squaring and bleaching of cotton fabric by killer boiler. So my presentation is complete. Thank you sir. Assalamualaikum.